by the white picket fences. Say hello to palm trees and Benzes. They say you gotta fall to have it all. But we don't want 2 kids and a wife. I don't want a job, I just want a life. Sometimes the underdogs rise and the mighty fall.